Alright, so I thought this is worth taking a quick look at. This is the shop's new CNC machine, which we've had for probably close to a year now, but we really only finished getting it all set up and working on jobs. So it's a full-size CNC machine. It's got a 5 tool changer. It's really capable. But what I wanted to show you is, you're used to seeing, the CNC machine itself, but what you don't see very often is the back side over here. This is, right here is the vacuum system for the vacuum table. So it's got a vacuum hold down for the table, and it pulls a vacuum straight through MDF. And this here is a, let's see, what's the horsepower? 25 horsepower motor, right? And then here is the dust collection system here. Not in focus for some reason there. There we go. So people are used to seeing the machine, but like this is what took most of the time to get set up to get it really working. And that vacuum table, or that vacuum's like really impressive. So the spoiler board is just an MDF sheet, and the vacuum, it'll pull a vacuum straight through the table, and you can feel it, flowing air with your hand straight through the MDF. It's pretty crazy. So I haven't really used this at all yet. One of the big jobs that we're doing with it is we CNC'd this here, and I generated the model for this, and this is all just CNC'd and didn't take a lot of finish work, and it's, anyway, really impressive the work that this machine can do. And hopefully at some point I'll be using this to make boards, or at the very least this is a very, very easy way to make some molds, almost cheating. So anyway, I just thought that was interesting enough to take a quick look at. So there you go. Over and out.